Hi guys, so welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be doing a haul of everything I got from Japan, specifically in Tokyo and Kyoto. So the first place I went to was Kyoto. So the first thing I got is this, and I got this from a Sanrio shop in Arashiyama in Kyoto, and this is where like the bamboo grove is and the kimono forest is. And I got this, it's a cute Rilakuma matcha like ice cream keychain. It's so cute. It's like Rilakuma holding a matcha ice cream. This I got for 594 yen. So next is just a simple postcard. I guess I'll show you guys, but this is from the Fushimi Inari Shrine. So this is a postcard, and I like whenever I go to places, I like to collect postcards because it's the most affordable way to get a souvenir. Like, I think it was under 100 yen. So next I went to this temple, which I could never like get down how to say it, so I'll just show you guys what it's called. And it was super nice, and there was like a shopping street before you entered the temple. So next we were walking around Kyoto Tower, and we just saw a drugstore with like Kit Kats, and I knew when I went to Tokyo like that I could get Kit Kats from like Don Quijote and stuff, so we just got 2 packs of them. I think they were like around 208 yen, which was more expensive than I found at Don Quijote, but I just could not wait, so I bought it. So this one is, as you can see, we already opened it and ate it, but there's still a couple left. This one is the raspberry Kit Kat. This is what the packaging looks like. And I love just like trying different Kit Kats. We got the matcha one. So this is just the matcha Kit Kat, and it's so good. Then the last 2 things I got in Kyoto, I didn't buy. I just took it from my hotel. I still don't really know what it is, so if you guys can read Japanese, please just comment it down below. So I think this is, you put this in the bath, but I really like the packaging and I thought it was really cute. So this is the first. I think they're like bath salts or something for the bath. So this is everything that I got while I was in Kyoto, but I did the most damage in Tokyo, so let me show you guys what I got. Right now I'm going to show you guys what I got from Don Quijote. Alright, so this is the Don Quijote bag. So I went to the Don Quijote, and I'm not sure how you say it, but I think it's called Ikebukuro. So we got a lot of like Kit Kats. So I saw a lot of cool flavors when I went. But this is like, they're the big packs, and this is hojicha roasted tea. The next, we didn't try this one yet. We opened that one. We didn't try this one. I just love the packaging. This is Sakura, some Japanese sake. Next, we got this one. This is, this is also matcha. We got a second matcha. And the last one we got, which we didn't open yet either. This one also has a really pretty packaging. It's Sakura, I don't know, and roasted soybeans. Next, I got some, we got to get a lot of matcha flavored stuff, so I got the matcha pocky. I got a champion towel. I think this was like 270 yen. Next I got this pack of Biore Strips. They're not the charcoal ones, they're just like the regular ones. And I think this was like 500 yen. So I heard that in Japan, this brand called Lululun face masks are like just amazing. So I got myself a pack, and this was 300 yen. So you get 7 face masks for 300 yen. Lastly, this was definitely the cheapest. I don't know how much it was. I think it was like 70 yen. It's like a Rilakuma little pencil. So that's everything I got from Don Quijote. Okay, so next I'm going to show you guys what I bought back from 7-Eleven. I bought just a couple things. I didn't really want to bring like the whole store back. So some of the things I got didn't really survive the trip. It got a little crumpled, but what was inside, I don't think it was affected. So this is what I got. I got some instant noodles, and as you can see, it got like a little crumpled, the packaging, while in transit. So I was watching a video, and people said to get this because it's supposed to be really good, and they're like Michelin star ramen. Next, I brought back some tea, but this tea is so good. Like, I've literally never had such good green tea. This one I paid 120 yen at 7-Eleven, and you could find it in like the vending machines around Japan as well. Lastly, I got these pens, which I think they were 90 yen each, so they were like definitely below $1. I got this color. Okay, so then I got a white pen, this purple pen. That is everything from 7-Eleven. I saw like a little like pop-up shop. I don't know if it was pop-up or it's permanent, but I saw a shop when I went to Asakusa, this place. So this is what I got, and so I got some matcha powder because, you know guys, I'm obsessed with matcha. And I got this for 500 yen. Next, I went to Starbucks. So I went to the Ikebukuro shopping park. It's like in the subway metro station. It's underground. I went to the Starbucks there because I really wanted to get one of the cups, like the cherry blossom theme. I think it's limited cherry blossom theme cup from Starbucks. So this is the box, and I'm going to give this to my mother because she drinks a lot of Starbucks. And you know, I feel like mugs are cute souvenirs. So I got her this. Oh yay, it's intact. So it's so pretty. So it just says Japan with like the mountain. I think that's supposed to be Mount Fuji. Cherry blossoms, monkeys, and some sushi at temple, some ramen. It's part of the You Are Here collection. Next, I'm going to show you guys some of the postcards I got. So I got this postcard from the Imperial Palace, Tokyo Imperial Palace. This was, I think, 110 yen. So this is the Imperial Palace, and this is like, I think this is the gate, and this is the bridge. I don't know, but it was really pretty to walk around. Next postcard I got Tokyo Tower, the official shop. We went up to, we didn't go to the top part. We went to like the 150 meters up, I think. I don't know. I can't really know. I don't really remember. But this was 120 yen. So this is Tokyo Tower. So I'll show you. So I think, yeah, we went up to here. But you can go all the way up to here, I think. Yeah. So in Tokyo Tower, so we went down. I think it was on the second floor. There was like this whole like area with like little like souvenir shops. So I got a plate. I got this plate from one of the little stands, and this plate was 650 yen. So this is what it looks like. I just love it. It's like little droplets, and then there's cherry blossoms. It's so pretty. But this is I think it's the Sensoji Temple. I think this might be the Tokyo Tower. I don't know. And this Tokyo Tower, and this Mount Fuji. I'm not sure, but I think that's what it is. But also in Tokyo Tower, I did like one of those like capsules that they have. There's like capsules all over the place. And so I did one of the Gudetama ones, and it was 300 yen, and I got this. It's like a little unboxing. It's really cute. It's like a Hawaii themed Gudetama. So this is what it looks like. It's like flowers, blue, and then you press it, and then out pops Gudetama. Next, I went to round one. It's like the arcade in Japan. So the claw machine is like 100 yen for each turn. So it was actually really hard. Like I was trying to get a big one, but I just couldn't. So this is the one I got on my first try. And it's just like, it was on the smaller ones. I think the smaller ones are so much easier to do. So it's cinnamon roll. It's also Sanrio. I got a lot of Sanrio stuff. Next, in Ikebukuro, or like near my hotel in Ikebukuro, they had a Sanrio gift gate, and I got a spoon for my little brother. It's Gudetama themed as well. It was 270 yen. I got this spoon for 270 yen. It's so cute. Look, so I went to the stationery store and I got 3 things. So I got these 2 pens. These are the Friction Ball Slim pens. So these are like pens, but if you want to erase what you wrote, you can use the friction balls on top. So these were 180 each, and I got one in black and one in blue. And then I got this for 100 yen. It's the Zebra Midliner. I'll show you guys the Kit Kats that I got. More Kit Kats. Yeah. I decided to save the box to show you guys. But we finished everything in it. Yeah, so these are the boxes. They're like a little smush because like it was in my luggage. But I got these at the airport and I think they were $180 each. So this one is Sakura Matcha. Then we got Peach, which I really liked actually. Next we got, this one is Hokkaido Melon and mascarpone cheese, which I actually wasn't a fan of this. I mean, if you like melon, you should get this, but I just was not a fan of it in like Kit Kat form. Then we got strawberry, and this tasted like a strawberry Pocky. Then lastly we got grape, which actually smelled pretty good. And the color was so pretty. This is Quijote grape. Yes, so that's everything I got in Tokyo.